else? Pavement. Too late, mate. I'll be reporting that. So we have these two vehicles, both of them. LE72NVG. Can't be using your phone, mate. And? What's that got to do with anything? Go look up on the highway code. When you use your phone while driving, it's got everything to do with everyone. I'm going to report it, so you've got about 2 weeks to wait for the police to give you a letter of notice of intended prosecution. I caught the guy behind you as well, Y999BRD. Got a job? Huh?
Your job's worth cunt, that's what you are.
Stay off your phone and you won't have a problem, will you?
Am I driving?
You should tell him to stay off your phone.
I like mind your own business and fuck off, go on.
Yeah, I'm going, don't you worry.
Yeah,
see yourself on YouTube later, eh? Little red card for you.
Oh, look at you. Have a day off, mate. Have a day off. Cycling for me, you fucking bellend. Go on, have a day off, mate. Go on.
Get a higher paying job.
Get a proper chocolate Wayne bar.
They were on the phone. It's quite funny how these people deflect by all that kind of business. The only reason they come up with that attack is because they know they're in the wrong. They have no other defense for their misbehavior. And let's hope that it changes their behavior anyway. Despite the abuse, that they realize you can't be doing any of that stuff. Oh, don't see a phone. Well, that's very kind of you. YS22YMA. You see? Well, we'll wait here now. Oh, there he's going. Good chance we catch another one up there. It's one of those days, isn't it, where everybody's on the phone. That's going to cost you, mate. I see you're holding a phone with a lit up screen. No, that's okay. I'm going to report it to the police. You're breaking the law as well as working. Carry on. They're going to probably give you 6 points.
Sir,
carry on. Doesn't matter. You're not allowed to use your phone. Carry on. He's on his phone. Apparently he's... I'm going to report him, yeah.